When someone asks you to hold the note, a buyer, what that means is that, let's say the purchase price is $1 million. The buyer doesn't have $1 million, but they may be your best buyer. Maybe you've been trying to sell it for a while and they're your only option. So they'll ask you for what's called seller financing. So what they would say is, I will pay you $250,000 at closing, and I want the other $750,000 to be in the form of a promissory note. And what that note is essentially signifying the debt of $750,000, that part of the purchase price. It might be for a period of 5 years that they have to pay you the balance of that note at a certain interest rate, and it will have provisions that if they default, if they don't do what they're supposed to do and they don't pay you on time, that you would come back and take over the company again or its assets. So it's not ideal. It's much better to get the full purchase price up front at closing to mitigate your risk, but it's very common for a seller, particularly in a small business situation, to finance part of the purchase by the buyer.